What's going on, guys? I'm back here with a mini slash 116 scale. Um, just got that brushless motor and ESC in. Was having some problems, but nothing actual was really a problem. The only thing that was a problem was me. When I first connected this, I slid it into channel 2 because the servo was in channel 1. So I slid it in channel 2 and it was just not working. I thought the ESC was no good. But then I put it in channel 3 and it started working fine. So if you have this slash, you got to put it in number 3. I guess I didn't pay attention when I was taking it out. But I got everything in. I have a napkin right here because this is just leaving oil all over my stuff. But I got the ESC in. Here's the motor. Everything fitted pretty good. I didn't have to do anything to mod it in any way. The only thing I had to do was to solder on those new 4mm plugs. And that was it because they were too small. The ones that came on this little ESC, it's a 35 amp ESC. But guys, this is just crazy. Watch. Let's see. Okay, so if you guys remember, you guys seen my channel. If not, I bought this a while back, guys, and I never really used it, but on one brushless motor. That was it, just one. And I gotta get rid of that. It's just gonna bother me the whole time. I don't like my stuff all dirty. All right, so I bought this and I only used it one time. Didn't really have any more use for it, although it worked pretty good. It's got all its value meter right here. I'm always having guys telling me about the values of this, but it says it right in the back of it, so I don't understand why they don't look back here, and that'll help them. But so this had to be used with this because when I first connected it, everything was fine, but it kind of hesitated to go forward and backwards, kind of did it slow, just didn't do it as fast. So when I opened it, I started reading this ESC here, all the stuff on it, and I had no idea, guys, that it was programmable. I thought this was a non-programmable ESC. So it comes with this, right? So here's all your ESC stuff, all that good stuff you need to know. I bought the 35 amp, and it tells you right here, you can see. So the 35 amp can use 3 S LiPo. So we got 35, and right there, 2 to 3 cell LiPos. And when I turned it around, I seen this. So it's giving me the value chart that is in the back of this programming card, and you can see there's the programming card there. So I programmed it, and now it works even better. I was really surprised that an ESC that little would be that programmable. It wasn't just programmable like 1 through 4 like the little ones. No, this thing was programmed all the way through 1 through 18. So I didn't mess with anything else. I only messed with one of the values, and that was the start mode. I didn't like the way it was starting. Like I told you guys, it was starting off a bit slow. It's all just, it was just going slow. So I boosted it all the way to 8, and now it seems to be working pretty good. I do have a speed pinion. This motor is so easy to get off, guys. It's practically a joke. It's one screw only, and I can slide this and this off. So it's super easy. I'm thinking about changing the pinion out to something a little bigger, because I do have an actual pinion that goes to my Bandit, and I seen that pinion and it doesn't look too big. I think maybe I could get away with it on this. Maybe I just might be able to get away with it because the spur gear is small, so it shouldn't burn it out too much, or there, I don't know. But Excuse me, guys, my words are coming out wrong. But the pinion on this one is kind of big. I was surprised. It's not super big, but it's a decent size. And I have one that's just a little bigger. It's not very much bigger, just a little bit. So I'm thinking that will go ahead and give me the extra power that I need. But other than that, it did pretty good. I just used it here in the house. I didn't try it outside yet. You can see the tires are not really dirty. But that was really awesome that it was programmable, guys. So I boosted that like I told you to. I'll show you on the. I had a lot of questions about this, and a lot of guys seem to get owned by this. And what I mean by owned is they get scared and they start thinking they're gonna mess everything up. Man, you can't be like that. You gotta go in for the kill, man. You just do. So right here is number 2. I don't have remember, guys, I'm a gamer. I only used to do video games, never had RC cars until I went to an RC channel and got challenged and a bunch of other stuff. So now I'm collecting RCs because I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm learning as I go, but I'm not gonna just sit there and just wait. I'm gonna try it. So here is a motor rotation, and we got the start mode. And start mode was all the way on 4. So it was on 4, and I boosted it all the way to number 3 is start mode. I boosted it to 8, which is way over here, 8. This is really easy to understand, but I don't know why guys want to go through so many of these. The only one you really need to mess with is either the motor rotation or the start mode and the brakes. That's it. Everything else, just leave it alone. Trust me, you'll be better off just leaving it alone. Unless you have some specific work to do, like racing or something, then I could see where you would need that to be programmed. But other than that, if you're just using it, you'll be fine. But just leave it alone. Just mess with the brakes and the start mode. And if you want a little bit with the reverse, and that's it. Don't just leave it all alone, and it should work fine. So here's the ESC. I just put some double-sided tape on there, some gel tape, and that's how I got that down. I do have it already connected, guys. You guys can see the batteries in there. Thought I'd do a little wheel spin here. Remember, these are short course tires, so they don't blow up, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to turn this on. So I'm gonna turn this transmitter on, and we're still using the same transmitter, guys. Same thing, same one. And I'm gonna turn this on. Okay, and I'm gonna pick this up so it doesn't scrape everything. And yeah, so it sounds pretty good. So I may not even have to change the pinion since it's going a lot faster now, guys. But what I might want to do is just use a 3S, and I should be going really fast. So I'm gonna do another video on it outside, and we'll go from there, see if it works good or not. Remember, this is just crummy stuff that I'm putting in here now. This is garbage right here. I'm gonna put in something name brand because it's Traxxas and it deserves name brand. Not to mention I paid a lot for this crappy thing. But so I want to make sure I put something good in it. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that later on. But we'll go and try it out, see how good it works, see if I need to do anything to it, and if I need to change up the pinion or something else. We'll go from there. We'll also do a 3S run on it and see how it runs. So stay tuned for that video, guys. And I'll put the link to all of this stuff in the description. So thanks a lot, guys, for watching.